Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
I know, but it's got a wall in the middle.
Oh yeah,
of it.
it's just there for support.
Yeah.
Wow. That looks good. These 6-inch ports?
Yes.
Yeah, that one's a different color right now because of the way I got it turned.
Yep. Sweet. Yeah, I'd like to hear it.
And
Oh yeah, he will. Hold stakes up.
I got it unlocked.
Nice. Scar 2Ks, or 2K and 150.4. Is this what is this wired to?
Yeah, this is actually my load.
We gotta put
That's
it
my high.
Yeah. Okay. So this is at 1 ohm, or you know?
What's the load amp on?
The load wiring on the amp.
Somebody else is playing.
1 ohm or? And what type of stars?
There's ZVX V2.
I'm like, I like this.
We tried wiring it down to a half ohm damn.
Yeah, when you hear it over and over,
That's the RP series. They don't like
Okay.
that.
Sweet. Yeah,
maybe a
man.
demo.
Yes, I would love to hear it. What was your name?
Huh?
What was your name?
Cody.
Cody. Okay.
Oh, wrong key.
Oh, you got some speakers down here too. Tweeters, mids.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what we want to play.
Play what you know does well. It's up to you.
Everything you see in here, I've done myself.
Oh, so you built all of it? Mm-hmm. Really? Wow. Okay. It looks good, dude. Good job.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Got a lot of time in there.
Oh, I understand, man. And you get it right where you want it, and then you change something.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Sweet. All right. What was it tuned to?
What did we tune it to, Daddy? 29?
It's tuned to 30.
30.
30. Okay.
Sit back and relax, relax. We're about to get rustified. And a whole top diamond in the bottom rose gold. Yo! You gotta stop epidemic of yeah, I know what this is. So, got 30 down at the bottom, 30 more at the top. All invisible sand and little ice cube blocks. If I get cold in a drink, call it a smile on the rocks. If I get cold out of price, let's say I'm cold out of life. I got the gun in the white gold. It's the bitch in the morning. I'm taking for everything. I might be good about nice. In my 19. South bitch. In my life, bitch. You get a stud. You can tell when you cut. This ain't my grandmama hate it. Mama love it. Cause when I looking at you, girl, clean man. I ain't running. I'm achieving. I got a grill, I'm gon' be the king. You know what that means. It look like now I'm later. Some drops, jellyfish. I wouldn't leave it for nothing. Only a crazy man. So if they catch me in the city somewhere, I'll be never just like what you looking at? Let you see my work.
Play a different one with a little bit lower tune.
Okay.
Oh my.
Huh?
That song was making the doors wave a while ago. I can't remember that song. He does, he's got a real.
How low do you play down to?
I'll play down to about 29.
29. Okay.
They don't really like it, but
Yeah.
it'll play it.
Making beats for the streets and ladies screaming in the seats. It's DJ Ruckus.
Thank you. That was perfect. We're good, man.
It went into protect mode.
Oh, I'm
I
sorry.
went a little too high on the volume.
Dude, that was awesome, though. Thank you for showing me.
Hell yeah.
What was your
no
name?
problem at all. Cody.
Cody. Jacob.
Hey, you bassheads,
I got it, man.
it's
Thank
DJ
you.
Rustical.
That's enough. That's good footage, man. Appreciate
Oh,
it.
yeah, no problem, man.
Nice to meet you. Could you
It's
open the
that
back of the
guy.
picture?
Yeah,
Don't make
yeah.
it-
Awesome.
He's got a CES 320 on it.
320? Okay.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.